Awa. I'm about to tell you the biggest secret in American music. One of the biggest misconceptions is that music is more African when it has hand percussion or drums in it. But as a godfather of soul said,
make it funky.
Hebu cheza ufurahi kama songi limekole azainama hebu pinda mgongo azainama pinda mgongo
join me as we explore the African roots of American music.